guys, welcome back to BioTechTrek. I'm Ishika from BioTechTrek is here with another international internship video. So if you are looking for an internship in Switzerland, then BioTechTrek is here to guide you out. If we see, then the applications are open for CERN Technical Student Program 2026. So, if you are a student in an undergraduate or master degree program and want to get practical training, then there is no better place than CERN. Each year the panel selects 80 students from different countries. Even though the IELTS exam is not required, so there is no need to give the examination. If we see, the duration of the internship will be 4 to 12 months. Here if we scroll down, then we can get the further details about the internship. Like the host of the country is Switzerland. Location will be Geneva. The organization name is CERN and the program name is CERN Technical Student Program. Here we have seen that the duration will be of 4 to 12 months and we will get the financial benefits fully funded too. The number of participants will be 80 students for a year. Here we have to note down, that's too important, that the deadline is for 16th November 2025. That you have to submit your applications form before 16th November 2025. Here we can see the list of the fully funded financial benefits like a contract of 4 to 12 months, an allowance of 3,472 Swiss francs per month, a travel allowance. If you are married, a supplement will be provided. Health insurance scheme and paid leaves were also given. If we see here, we can get to know more about the technical student opening for 2026. Here we can see that the opening is for applied physics, IT, mathematics and robotics, electric and electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, general and civil engineering and material and service sciences. We can see the eligibility criteria of CERN Technical Student Program. A nation of CERN member or associated member state. You should have completed at least 18 months of your undergraduate studies. You must gain registered as a full-time student during the internship at CERN. You have a good knowledge of English and French. Here we have the list of required documents like CV, transcript and reference letter. CERN has also given us a certain few tips that your answer should be prepared in MS Word or Notepad in advance. Like that your answer should be get prepared well in MS Word or Notepad. And if you want to get a CV, then BioTechTrek is helping you out throughout the year to get your CV improved. So, to get help with all of your documentation or whether it could be your SOP or cover letter, we have our expert speaker, those who can help you to get in. And we have been doing this from past. So, we have a great experience in doing this. You can just check our website study abroad section to get more information about this. Click here on this link to apply for the forms. From here we will move to another site. Guys, imagine getting in work that is changing the world and imagine doing it before you have left the university. Then imagine working in an international environment and having a great quality of life. Then BioTechTrek is here to fulfill all your imaginations. Our team member would help you to know about study abroad programs. So all you have to do is to just stay connected with us on LinkedIn and you can just visit our website too. Let's move further. If we scroll down, then we can see that the technical student opening. So here I am selecting the technical studentship, material and surface science 2026. Here we can see all the descriptions and the qualification additional information which we have already seen. If I click on I'm interested, then we can just simply fill up the form. Here you have to put your application form. Then here you have to put with your name and your last name, your email address, your confirm email, your city and your phone number. In education basis, you have to just put up your LinkedIn and your website and the most important, your resume. and a message to the hiring team why they should just hire you. And that's how your application form will be get filled up. And if you want such of the more internship like this one, then you have to just stay connected with us on LinkedIn and on Instagram. And you can just follow us on YouTube too. You can just check out our website BioTechTrek too.